everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the picturesque and enchanting city of Bruges. Join us as we explore the best things to do in Bruges, ensuring your visit is nothing short of unforgettable. Let's get started. Our first stop is the historic Markt Square, the heart of Bruges. Towering above is the Belfry, offering panoramic views if you're up for the climb, and if you time it right, you might even hear the melodic chimes of its historic bells. This vibrant square is also home to local shops, cafes, and the famous Provincial Palace. Market Square is also where you can catch a ride on a horse-drawn carriage to explore the city. No visit to Bruges is complete without indulging in its renowned chocolates. The city is a paradise for chocolate lovers. Take a guided chocolate tour, learn about the process, and of course, taste the delectable creations. This place is the best if you are going with your kids, where they can explore and learn the art of making chocolates. Escape the hustle and bustle at Minuwater Lake, often referred to as the Lake of Love. This charming park features a serene lake, graceful swans, and a romantic bridge. It's a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a relaxing picnic. This picturesque location is one of the most photographed locations, and it's perfect for quiet strolls. The glorious Basiliek van het Heilig Bloed Basilica of the Holy Blood dates back to the 12th century. It is one of the top attractions in Bruges and is not to be missed. Named for Our Lady and Saint Basil, this famous double church is said to possess a vial harboring drops of the blood of Jesus Christ himself. This church is located in the city center, just west of the City Hall. Bruges City Hall is also known as the Stadhuis. Immerse yourself in Bruges' enchanting canals with the canal cruise. It's a fantastic way to appreciate the city's architecture from a different perspective. You'll also learn captivating stories about Bruges' history from the captain along the way. Evening is the best time for the canal ride, as the city looks different when the sun goes down. And there you have it, fellow travelers, our whirlwind tour of Bruges' best experiences. From its enchanting canals to its world-famous chocolates, the city truly offers a unique blend of history and charm. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and be sure to subscribe for more exciting travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring. Happy travels!